Kaseng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP kalapan pau baka jingshim rai jom ka sorkar Meghalaya banweng no ya ki bor pahara pulit na ki jaka ki badon hapdeng ka iakajia pun khappud ka Meghalaya Assam ka dei ka jingle bakla ka bajur bar ka longkum ka jing bakla ban sumar ya ka jingpang ka bakum ki nong shong khappud kilaya iman na ka por syakapor Nakaliang Presiden ka FKJGP uba dan DC Council habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor hakalai tarik risau ula ong bakan ne ka jingle jong ka sorkar jela I kumba ka de ka jing bakla hakarukom sumar ya ka jingpang da ka baweng no ya ki bor pahara na ki than khapun bar ka long penban kumba ai dawai ya ki bapang kpo da ka dawai kthakli nalor kata ula ong ru bakan ne ka jingle jong ka sorkar ka long penban kumba ai petrol hakading ka balaklang lepa Nalor kata ula ong baki jing kenang mi bat kham sniu shu da ka ba phai hakmat kham tam hak baya dei bat ka jing bom ya sutho haka khtien ka thlin da ka jingwan ra eki bor pahara jong ka Central Reserve Police Force CRPF haki jaka khapun ula ong ru bah ka jing shisha ya ki pulit CRPF labu kum ki bor pahara benram haki no ki jing ja ki bami ki jing klumar bapen thot ya ka shong suk shong shngai Kum taru ula ong bana kaliang ka seng ka sngo bakam ya hab ya barok ki arjela ka Meghalaya bat Assam bat baka Meghalaya kan weng no ya laki jong ki bor para pulit na ki jaka khapun Laban kedo baha ka sngi sajan balala ka jia kren hapdeng ki menteri rangba ka Assam ban Meghalaya kilarai ban bu bujilino daki CRPF kum ki bor pahara bom ya syaliang haki jaka ya ka jakpun habab tha ya laki jong ki pulit ban kenran din no shibenta banwan ra ka jingshania jong ki paiba haka baya dei bat ka kam ya pen betpot hapdeng kini ki arjela
Kemis diagnose ng government masukran no yang di Jepang kan matakaw ay dawai pangkapo ay dawai pangkhali asukran no tar ko menu ay dawai sekata kom tet ka kalau mapi nang the petrol su ay kading mami usiar pi undang tu communication field ada lupa redidang state police but ki mo ki high rank officer na kalang police department namala ki state kata kala banyarap man Rey no ma CRP su only additional force. La kadang no kalau na problem undan mo additional force. Rey namta kanya pe guarantee. Ka sakar asam no padi beneh unjuk sakar Meghalaya di beneh unjuk. Bo lagi bener ke balak banyak no kadang kata ka communication interaction ke papaka pare sapi. Rey ben bu CRP tengok ai mat ade kata hi menua advice le treatment you to le ka border issue to come totally as per my some sort of suggestion, so as to say, it is unwise if the government try to remove our own state police force, either from the government of Assam or either from the government of Meghalaya, but to put there with the central force. So this is some sort of a suggestion, but I put under the wisdom of the state government how to address this. The as per our finding, mostly the design that has been the designer are from the government of Assam only with regards to the state boundary issues. They try to push their own people, even in some area which are not there's no it's not a conflict area, but if send their own people, they're trying to create all these things. But what I do have is as per the discussion of the boundary issues, I think the government through the expert committee should have done a lot. They first and foremost, they should take the people residing in that border areas into consideration. That is the priority. Because suppose if we have our land, vacant land, around 10 acres, 20 acres, no resident out there. But suppose the residential out there are other community. So I think it will be a burden and it will be a liabilities. If, okay, fine, we don't want to compromise our land, but but all those inhabitants out in that area are from other communities. That is what, from on behalf of myself, I've seen. But suppose it might be a land which have through documents, the Assam is rightfully claimed for that area, but most of the residents are people out there. So the government should negotiate in that terms only. That is what I can give suggestion from my end.